the Dreo fan for whole room offers a powerful airflow of up to 70 feet, making it a top choice for those seeking efficient air circulation in various settings. Designed by Dreo in a sleek black color, this table fan is a blend of modern style and functionality. This corded electric fan comes with convenient features, such as a remote control, timer, and adjustable tilt of up to 120 degrees, allowing users to customize their airflow experience. The oscillating feature ensures that air is distributed evenly throughout the room, making it suitable for spaces like offices, kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, and more. Measuring at 10.24 inches in diameter, 11.46 inches in width, and 13.19 inches in height, the Dreo fan is compact yet powerful. With a noise level of only 28 dB, this fan operates quietly, making it ideal for use in quiet environments such as bedrooms or nurseries. Whether you need to ventilate, cool down, circulate air, or even aid in drying a space, the Dreo fan for whole room.